ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ದೀಪ ಕವತನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿಣಿಯಂ ಪರರ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸುಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನ ಹೊಸ ಭರವಸೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ BS ಉತ್ಸವ ಕಲೆತು ನಲಿಯುವ ಜಗಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ.
A warm and happy evening to one and all present here. Honorable Sri D. Shashikumar, Sir General Secretary, CAMS Karnataka, respected management, respected chief guests, dignified teachers, all the treasured invitees, parents and my dear students. On behalf of BS, myself Mrs. Abita, welcome you all on the very special day where we are celebrating our school's achievements. Today is a joyful and memorable day for our school annual day. It is not just a program, it is a celebration of learning, creativity, discipline and teamwork. This day gives our students a wonderful chance to show their hidden talents. Throughout the year, our students work hard in academics as well as in cultural activities. And today, they are ready to shine on the stage. Now it's time to welcome the chief guest, management and dignitaries and the gathering. So I call upon Angel Ma'am to present her welcome address.
I thank Almighty for this beautiful opportunity. Good evening, everyone. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all here today for our BS Utsav 2026. Motto of a school, a way to create an inspiring citizen. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is... First and foremost, I would like to welcome our Honorable Secretary, Mr. R. Shankar sir. Welcome, sir. I would like to welcome our respected Treasurer, Mr. S.V. Nagesh sir. Welcome, sir. I cordially welcome our Honorable President, Mrs. Sri M.M. Lakshmi ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. I genially welcome our Vice President ma'am, Mrs. T.R. Sunita ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Leadership is always about to change. It's not about mobilizing people to what they have done always, to do it well. On this note, I would like to welcome our dignitaries of the crew. A warm and cheerful welcome to our Honorable Mr. Sri D. Shashikumar sir, General Secretary, CAMS Karnataka, Convener, KPM, TCC and APSAL, New Delhi. Welcome, sir. The gift of God, they bring us source of joy, happiness, strength, love and a future generation. On this note, I would like to welcome our stunning stars of a Brahmini Empress School. Welcome, my dear students. The best inheritance a parent can give his children is a few minutes of his time each day. On this note, I would like to welcome our parents. Welcome, my dear parents. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome each and every one of you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
ಜಗಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ BS ಉತ್ಸವ.
Watch graduation of UKG. A warm welcome to the little stars of UKG. This momentous day marks the transition from early learning to primary school, celebrating the growth, laughter and foundation skills, ABCs, 1 to 3s and sharing they have developed. We are incredibly proud of their achievements. Keep exploring and aiming high. Now with a huge round of applause, let's welcome our UKG kids for their graduation.
ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ದೀಪ ಕವತನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿಣಿಯಂ ಪರರ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ
present here for 4th BS Annual Utsav 2026. Respected dignitaries, esteemed members of the BS family, dear parents, dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. I am Mrs. Sunita TR, Vice President of BES, and it gives me immense pleasure and pride to convey my heartfelt greetings and to warmly welcome you all to our BS 4th Annual Utsav. I extend a special and respectful welcome to our Chief Guest, Mr. Shashi Kumar Sir, Secretary of COMS Karnataka, of Hybrid Vidya and Director of Branch Center. We are honored by your gracious presence today. BS began its journey in the academic year 2021 and 22 with 150 plus students, and today we proudly stand strong with 600 plus students and a team of 45 dedicated faculty members. Our school is supported by experienced, well-qualified teachers from KGF, Andhra and the local region, ensuring quality education and diverse teaching expertise. We also provide safe and reliable transfer facilities to our students. The school day begins with morning assembly, which starts with pledge followed by the national anthem and state anthem, fostering unity and patriotism among students. A farmer song is sung once a week to honor our farmers, who are the backbone of the nation. Teachers ensure discipline by conducting daily uniform checks and weekly inspections of students' nails and haircuts. We have excellent infrastructure surrounded by greenery, providing a clean and healthy environment with a spacious playground. Our school comes under the rural quota and is located just 2 kilometers from the bypass. Each section is limited to 30 students with 2 children sharing one desk, ensuring comfort and a better attention. We offer only limited seats to maintain quality education. We follow CBSE, NEP pattern syllabus. Academic is a core focus of our school. We are framing state level, national level and world level. General questions, subject oriented questions, lifetime useful grammar to teach the students, which will be helpful for their education and a competitive examinations like IAS, IPS, NEET, KSET, IIT, etc. Other government examinations for securing jobs. We maintain continuous interaction with parents by discussing their child's progress and sharing ideas, thoughts and suggestions. Individual attention is given to every student to ensure holistic development. We begin every academic year with a bridge course, which helps students revise and reconnect with concepts forgotten during holidays along with academics. We practice newspaper reading sessions in both English and Kannada to help students overcome stage fear and improve language skills. Daily birthday wishes on stage along with student self-introduction and goal recitations help build confidence and communication skills. We have mass PT, yoga, dance classes as part of our regular co-curricular activities. To nurture creativity, we introduced animation classes, encouraging students to explore their hidden talents. A quiz competition was organized for each to assess and enhance students' knowledge. The students actively participated and were divided into 2 groups, promoting healthy competition and teamwork. We conducted national talent, state level, Brainothon, a general knowledge based competition. The examination was held at both school and state level, where nearly 80 plus students and are qualified at the state level, and 4 teachers Brainic battle quiz competition was conducted at the state level. And we are proud to share that one of our teachers secured the state topper in the teacher talent Brainic battle quiz competition and was honored in Bangalore. In addition, 4 of our teachers also qualified for the state level. We also organized a drawing and singing competition to showcase students. Extra co-curricular activities, storytelling, rhymes recitation and clay modeling, alphabetical arrangement and other activities were conducted for pre-KG, LKG and UKG children to enhance creativity and communication skills. We conducted Science Expo for students. Children are encouraged to present their innovative ideas and scientific thinking. The school organized a one-day trip where students had to enriching, experiencing, enjoying the visit while learning about the historical and cultural significance of the place to hand. Fun and excitement, fun games were conducted for our students, spreading smiles and strengthening bonding among peers. While making learning enjoyable, Teachers' Day was celebrated with great joy and respect in our school. Students expressed their gratitude through speeches, songs and heartfelt messages. Teachers' Day were honored by the management for their dedication and service. Children's Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm in the school. At BES, we celebrate all national festivals and state festivals, helping students understand the importance of significance of each special day and installing values of unity, culture and patriotism. Admissions are open for the academic year 2026 and 27 from pre-KG to 10th standard. We will upgrade up to PUC paramedical and in the near future. As we reflect in our progress, we also look forward to new opportunities and challenges that will shape the future of our institution. In conclusion, I would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to our management, teachers, parents and well-wishers for their unwavering support and nurturing young minds and shaping future leaders. Thanks to the non-teaching staff for their cooperation and support. Let us embark on this wonderful journey of celebration. I kindly request everyone encourage our little students by giving them a big round applause for their performance on the stage. Thank you for being a part of this event. Okay, thank you.
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ BS ಉತ್ಸವ ಕಲೆತು ನಲಿಯುವ
Technology, interactive marketing and branding, advanced education and simulation, hybrid productions, AI-driven experiences in entertainment and education. Now we are going to present the different types of animations. Clay animations, cutout animation, sand animation, vegetable and fruit animation, stop motion animation, blackboard animation, puppet animation, paint animation and 3D animation created by our students. These will be displayed on the LED screen. Please watch and encourage our young talents.
ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ದೀಪ ಕವತನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿಣಿಯಂ ಪರರ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸುಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನ ಹೊಸ ಭರವಸೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಉತ್ಸವ ಕಲೆತು ನಲಿಯುವ ಜಹ್ನಾನದ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ BS ಉತ್ಸವ